Hi guys, how are you? Normally the people used to restore cars, bicycles, bikes, but not so typical restore vans. Today we start a project for restore a 1997 Ford Transit. This is a 1997 Ford Transit Mark 5. I bought this unit about 800 kilometers away of my home. It is in a very good condition, low mileage and one previous owner. This unit is a panel van with a short chassis and low roof. This van has a typically wear of years of use and stay in the sun. The engine is a 2.4-liter diesel, natural aspirated with 69 horsepower of fury. The equipment is basically the no equipment. No AC, no power steering, no electric windows, no electric lock, no ABS, no airbag. No equipment means no problem. Also, the seats and the upholstery are in very good condition. My goal in this project is customize it maximum as possible, getting a cool look, if my budget will allow me. We start with the basic maintenance. The first is to change the oil and filter. Previously, we added, for me, the best additive you can use, a oil system cleaner. This additive dissolves all the junk inlaid inside the oil circuit. After 30 minutes with the engine running, we empty the oil, new gasket and new oil filter. We continue with the gearbox, changing the oil. The proper size is 75W90. Once it's over the maintenance, we start with the body shell, removing all the old stickers embedded by the sun. My friend Victor is a professional using the blade. Look at this. All stickers inlaid on the rear windows? No props. Victor and his magic blade are in action. After remove it all, the result is awesome. The surface of the inside part of the rear doors have some rest of glue, so we remove it with solvent. I never liked wearing a plate frames, so out. I'm gonna cease to put a new plate. Once the plate is off, you can see all this accumulated filth during 22 years. The care is never more of this part, so let's polish. New plate fitted. I get out the air filter box for improve the entry of fresh air. The original factory tube is very restrictive, so let's remove it. I found this tube on a rubbish cap and I couldn't resist. With a saw leaf, I opened the hole for introduce the new tube. Yes, I know, it's not a race car, it's not a powerful engine, but why not? Ram air down for €0. One of the things I like to do most is visit a scrapyard. I found this specialized on industrial and agricultural vehicles. Here, I saw thousands of tractors and trucks waiting somebody who's buy a piece. I found some transit, all of them without engine, so I took some upholstery pieces. Very good for my budget. The original polycarbonate headlights was burned for 22 years of exposition in the sun. I bought a couple made of glass, more resistant to the pass of the time. For give a modern look, I decided to open it. I use a heat pistol for soften the silicone. Once the glass is off, we mask the non-reflective surface. With the heat-resistant paint, we spray the contour of the headlight. We do in 2 coats. After removing the masking tape and seal with silicone the glass, you can appreciate the handmade black bottom headlights. Side by side, you can see the difference between both. A huge change are the white indicators. Remember to change the clear lamp for orange one. The clear indicator don't get an orange bulb. Now with the new headlights and indicators, the van looks awesome. Now it's time for the detailing. With the clay bar, I remove all the embedded dirt. Always with water, we wrap the clay bar to the surface. Look the cascade of the sheet. Once the body is completely decontaminated, we can start the next step, the polishing. We slide the machine with care, softly. My taillights was smoked and damaged, so I bought a new pair. I can't forget the new white side indicators. A last clean and wrapping with solar films the rear windows, we finished the first episode of this history. I hope you liked this video. I see you very soon. Thanks for watching.